Hey, now we're going to take a look at the Ryobi RY3112FB EZCLEAN Power Cleaner Foam Blaster. I'm going to use this with our RY121850. We have our wand on. We've removed our 3-in-1 nozzle. So open this up. Got our sprayer. Comes with 4 ounces of Foam Blaster all-purpose cleaner. And your instructions. The instructions are 1 page, really easy to follow. The main thing to remember is you want to make sure that you have it connected right and pull on it to make sure that it's seated. Otherwise, it can pop off and do some damage to your vehicle or your fence or whatever you're washing. The unit is pretty straightforward. You got your measurements on the side here. Only issue is, for an old man like me, it's hard to actually read these, so I have to use a measuring cup to measure. Take it apart, twist it and line it up, pull it out. There's your siphon hose. Has 2 little ears, so you're going to line that open bits up here and here, opposite, and then twist and turn and lock in. On top, you've got this knob. That's your soap dispenser. You can turn it off or you can turn it on. Connecting it is straightforward. Press your lever on top. Line up the little notch. This one doesn't have an arrow on it. You're going to put that in. Push it until it locks. Check and make sure it fits tight. And then you're ready to go. So I'm actually going to mix the Ryobi 4 ounces of Foam Blaster cleaner into the container. This is water. Get that seal off. So pour our 4 ounces in. This is of water in. So we've got our mix. Put that together. So we're going to put this together. Twist that on to lock. Push your button on top. Line it up. Lock that in. Let's go out and try it. We're going to try it on the fence, and then we'll actually try it in my truck. Main thing to remember with this is, just like with the unit itself, use cold water. So if you're using a garden hose, make sure you run the water until the water is cold before you actually connect it up to the unit to keep it from damaging the unit. So we're all set up. With our 3-in-1, and so let's go ahead and spray this down. Sprayed that all off. Now let's put it on rinse to get the rest off. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put it on rinse, and we're going to soak it down before we put our foam blaster on, and then rinse it off. Got our foam blaster on with our mix, so let's go ahead and soak her down. So we scrubbed all the soap in, put it on rinse. Let's go ahead and rinse it off. We've used the new EZCLEAN Foam Blaster to actually soap it up. As you can see, it soaps it up fantastic. You're ready to go. So for mixing and dilution, make sure you follow the manufacturer's recommendations. It'll be on the side of your packaging, whether you're buying car soap or whatever. Once you have that in there, this is a fantastic add-on, and makes our EZCLEAN 600 PSI cleaner, and that gives it an added bonus. It's fantastic to use.